a new generation of electric motors. Traditional high-performance motors rely on rare earth magnets. Yet these components are not only costly, but also pose a significant geopolitical risk, as highlighted by recent Chinese export restrictions. Magnet-free solutions are already appearing in electric vehicles from Renault, Nissan and BMW. Many designs, however, still require brushes and slip rings to feed power to the rotor's electromagnets. These parts introduce friction, wear and maintenance. In wind energy, for example, brushes often need to be replaced every 6 to 12 months. In this demo, we showcase a new generation of electric motors designed by Flanders Make to remove that weakness. The rotor's electromagnets are powered via inductive wireless power transfer, which eliminates the need for physical contacts. Unlike other brushless approaches, our machine integrates the excitation function inside the original motor without increasing its size. The same technology also offers huge potential for wind turbines, industrial machinery, and agricultural applications where reliability and efficiency matter most. Magnet-free, brushless, built for reliable, scalable electrification. See how compact, robust, and cost-effective operation delivers a smooth performance with far less downtime.